Hello everyone, this is Grizel, and I'm back with another explanation video for my idea lab. And the question I chose for this week is question 2. What's right? Answer A, B, and C below about right triangles. So the first question is, in a right triangle, if angle A is 30 degrees, what are the measures of the other two angles? Explain why. So first thing we know is angle A is 30 degrees. And I put that one in blue right over here. A equals 30 degrees. Another thing, if you do not know, with right triangles, this square right here will always be 90 degrees, which makes it so much more easier to find out what C is, which we do not know currently. So, how do we find C? Another thing about triangles is that all the angles equal up to 180 degrees. So that means A plus B plus B plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C will equal 180 degrees. So I wrote that on the side right over here. All right. So A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. Now let's plug in the numbers. So A is 30 degrees. B is 90 degrees. C we do not know yet. And the 180, which is the total. We add 30 plus 90, my apologies, will equal 120 degrees. We subtract 120 on both sides, which will make C equal 60 degrees. And that is the answer for the first question. All right, so we're moving on. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. Using the Pythagorean theorem, find the hypotenuse of a right triangle with sides measuring A equals 3 and B equals 4. Show work. Alright, so we know A equals 3. I put that one on this side. We got B equals 4, and I put that on this side. And the hypotenuse, which I highlighted right here, is unknown. Now, to find this, we gotta plug each of these into the Pythagorean theorem, which I put right over here. So the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So let's plug in the numbers. A is 3. B is 4. 3 squared equals 9. 4 squared equals 16. 9 plus 16 equals 25. Now we have to find the square root of 25 on both sides. Or not both sides, but we gotta square root both sides. And that will make C equal 5. And that is our answer for the second question. The hypotenuse equals 5. Now for our last question, we have, using the Pythagorean theorem, find the length of the side of a right triangle with the hypotenuse equaling 10 and the other side measuring A equals 6. Show all work. Alright, so this time we know the hypotenuse is 10, so we got the C equals 10 here. And then A equals 6 right over here. But we do not know what B equals. That is unknown. And I highlighted it right there on that side. So let's go back to the Pythagorean theorem and plug in the numbers. So A is 6, B we don't know, C is 10. 6 squared equals 36, 10 squared equals 100. Subtract 36 on both sides. Now we're left with B squared equals 64. We find the square root of both. then that will make b equals 8. And that is our answer for the last question. B will equal 8. I hope this helped anyone who is watching my video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day and week.